Welcome to online class from PG Department of Information Technology. In this class, we will see about the course Advanced Java Programming outcome and the syllabus, practical syllabus for the same. This is the syllabus recommended by the Madras University, and this is for the MSc IT program second years, and this syllabus is covered in third semester. This syllabus consists of 5 units. Each unit concentrates on different features of Java programming. In this slide, we will see the recommended text for this course. Best one is we can go for Java to complete reference. 5th edition Tata McGraw, New Delhi. For servlets, you can go for Java servlets, K Moss, 2nd edition of Tata McGraw, New Delhi. This is the reference sites, online sites you can refer for this course. And this is the course outcome for this program. As I said in the previous slides, this syllabus consists of 5 units. Each unit concentrates on different concepts of features of Java. So they are explore applets, servlets and HTML. And second unit covers about Java being using Infobus and class code developments. Third unit covers about EJP architecture and Perl, and the fourth unit covers about RMI, and the fifth unit covers about JSP and the understanding of various protocols in Java Mail. In first unit, elaborately we can see what is covered. We will see about servlet definition, how to compile a servlet, and what is the life cycle of the servlet, and what is a HTTP servlet, and we'll learn how to retrieve information using servlet, and we will know about session tracking, and we'll know about inter-servlet communication. In unit 2, we'll learn about the Java beans, we'll learn about the software component model, and we'll understand the bean development kit, and we'll learn how to create our own bean, and also we will develop notable beans using Infobus and Classco, and we'll understand about introspection reports, and we'll gain the knowledge about jar files on completion of unit 2. Unit 3 gives insight about EJP architecture and the requirements of EJP, and we'll learn about what is session bean and entity beans, and we'll learn about EJP clients, and we will know the deployment tips, tricks and tracks for building distributed and other system applications, and we'll learn about the basics of Perl language, which covers variables, control structures, operators, functions and scope. Unit 4 gives insight about RMI. RMI is nothing but remote method invocation. We will study elaborately about developing applications with RMI, declaring and implementing remote interfaces, stubs and skeletons, and we'll describe remote objects, and we'll know about RMI packages. In Unit 5, we'll have the knowledge about JSP technologies. So in that particular unit, we'll know about the client server model, and we'll understand JSP scripting elements and directives, and we'll know about the JSP variable scope, and we'll know how to handle JSP errors, and we'll understand the protocols used in Java Mail, and we'll understand the components of Java Mail, and we'll understand the Java messaging services. This is the practical syllabus for this degree program. HTML to servlet application, applet to servlet communication, designing online applications with JSP, creating JSP program using Java Beans, working with enterprise Java Beans, performing Java database connectivity, creating web services with RMI, creating and sending email with Java, building web applications. Thank you. All the best for this academic year 2021.